Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Billingshurst, which is in West Sussex. I'm really excited to show you around this garden office. Met this family around about a year ago, and they've been working out of just out of their bedroom in the house, and then also into the dining room. A really lovely family company working with a father. And son as well as mum. So yeah, we've created this great external space. Still to be a bit of landscape in here. Timber building was installed many years ago, and they didn't want to use that again for this office. So really proud to do this building for them. At 6 meters wide, 3.5 meters deep. You can see the double window there, which is designed for the office part inside. And this company called Aqua Sol are using ingredients and other elements for food and other industrial industries. So check them out. Integrated blinds with the French doors as our standard kite. Integrated blinds throughout, which is a really nice idea. Clients loving those. And then inside, I've got to say, what a great start to an office. A dartboard and potentially a pool table coming here in a minute. But the climate control sitting there with their lovely big branding on the back wall there, and with the desk sitting here, father and son team working very hard during the day, and then actually enjoying the space for pleasure in the afternoons and evenings as well, which is really good. I love this branding because the idea for these clients when we first spoke was that they weren't really able to bring any of their clients to a centre. They used to have to meet remotely, but now they can actually bring them to this centre. Around the side here, you've got the climate control unit sitting there for Mitsubishi. Which is a really lovely option, heating and cooling. Those integrated blinds, I think, look absolutely stunning. Yeah, so there you go. That's a really lovely 6 metre wide, 3.7 metre deep garden office, running a business, letting that business grow. There's enough space in there for up to 4 to 5 people, which is the whole idea as they grow as a business. And for now, getting a great multiple family space out of it as well. If this is of interest to you, if you're looking for a garden office or other elements, please give us a call, like, subscribe and share what we do, and let me know your comments on this lovely kite pre-designed within the planning rules, by the way, on a steel and timber frame base, pre-designed garden office. Thank you.